Hello everyone, I'm going to cook we call linagang beef bone and meats for our lunch. First thing, I need to boil the beef with water until it gets soft, and then you have to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or olive oil, and make sure you have to add a ton of ginger slice, ginger root, and you have to stir it very well. And this kind of soup, beef soup, guys, is very delicious with ginger, and supposed to be I don't know, like add the boiled meat which I already boiled and also already soaked. And then you have to stir it very well. And this kind of beef is very delicious. It tastes like beef. You have to try it, this guys. And you know, you eat with rice. It's very yummy. And then after this, guys, you have to add full of water until it depends on you how much you add the water, but I put a lot of water to fill up almost like more than a half the pot. But you don't need to boil too much. When the water is boiled, you have to get rid of the bubbles or the brown spot. What I said is already boiled and the meat is already soaked. So what did you do? You have to boil the meat and put some of ingredients and vegetables. So now, guys, it's done. Take away the bubbles. Now you have to add 1 tablespoon of black pepper or corn pepper. So I have 1 tablespoon and also 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and in our language is patis, and 2 tablespoons of beef powder or beef cubes. So there, guys. And if you try to test if, for example, the taste is lack of salt or whatever, then you have to add the salt. You have to estimate it, and then you have to simmer it very well. So you have to add the potato slice. This potato is like two pieces of medium-sized potato, and I cut with 4 pieces, 4 slice. So you have to, when the potato is soft, you have to boil it, and you have to add the cabbage. No, I'm sorry, string beans. You have to string beans, and when the string bean is cooked, you have to simmer it, and then you have to add a cabbage, or you have a bell pepper. You can add a bell pepper if you have banana pepper, or chili if you want like a little bit spicy. You can add like hot chili, but I don't put that when I run out of bell pepper. So that is only, guys, and very delicious. We eat this with rice, and we eat it with lunch. So if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget also to leave comment. And this kind of preparation is very delicious and easy. Any kind, if you want, you have pork meat, then you can have the pork meat too. So thank you very much. Now the food is ready to serve. So God bless and thank you.